Greetings, Mark Brown. We're going to be looking in Google Doc and look at some template, or we can use template to create letter, or template can create resume and all of that. So we're going to be looking at focusing on template right there in Google Doc, right? So definitely, if you don't have it download on your computer, what you can do definitely, you can go on the browser, which is this browser right here. Right, so when you go on the browser, you can come right here. Then I look at that, you're going to click. When you click, you can scroll up, and this itself is Google Doc. But if you have it downloaded on your computer here, you can literally just open it. So I have it open right here. So there you go. Right, so these are templates right here. So if you open it, definitely, and you don't sign it, you're going to ask you to sign it. So very important right here. So notice, you can also use brochure template right here. Instead of start from scratch, we can use letter. Instead of start from scratch, you just have resume right here, or project procedural, right? You'll click on it, brochure, I will say exactly how this thing look like, how it work, and all that. If you notice right up here, so it actually show the brochure already, right? If you notice right here, product, brochure, company right here, you can actually scroll up, right? To show that you can actually put a picture right here. You notice you can actually move this picture by clicking on it and move it and put in your own picture. Right over here, you can also click and get the words, right? If you notice, detail here different, you can actually scroll it up just like that. You can actually move these, put your own on it and all of that. Right? So first is here and go back. So we're going to be looking at a different template. Now we're going to look at a letter. One right here. Definitely. Very important. So for instance, you actually write in a letter. You can actually use this template. You notice right here, show you put the name, the street name, the city. Right here, show you put the date and then the person we're sending it to. And right here, you notice. And down here, your name says sincerely your name. So basically, you can actually use this template instead of start from scratch. So for some time, you might not know how to start it and all that. But if you notice right here, you put your name. You put your address right here. Right? And notice your email address right here, but here so you put the date and the person we're writing it to. I notice right down here. Notice. So you're going to say dear slash. You say dear sir or slash madam, right? It's important, and they actually can remove these and put it in your body. And then right here, you can put yours, and then say sincerely, and then put the name and the space right here to write the signature, right? So definitely we can actually do that instead of start from scratch, right? If you notice these two are resume, so I'm going to click on it, right? When I click on it now, right? Now a simple resume now, you notice right here, sure that I can put the name and all of that right here. Sure you can put the skill, sure you put the experience, you notice right here, the company, location, all of that. So it's education, oh, so it's actually in definitely in good standing. So what you have to do, you can just click, you notice cursor blink, you can just click and just delete and put in where you want it, like already format already, right? So we're going to be looking at the next one. So exactly how it look like, right? Because there are two, right? This one right here is another resume. So if you don't like this one, the one previous one before, you can actually try this one. And notice this one right over here. I have a name right over here, so street. Notice the experience, oh yes, skill, and all of that, right? So notice education. So if you notice all this resume set out, definitely one thing that you have to do definitely does remove what you don't want and put in your own stuff in it. So this is easier. If you're on the go to create a resume, you can actually use this template right here in Google Docs. It's very important. Right, if you notice this one right here, you can actually click on it. Right, so this one is project procedural. Right, if you notice, look at it. Right, coming up right here, notice. You can get the project name and notice the style up here. Coming down the company, street name, right? You give the overview, you give the goal. Alright, the specification right here, you notice the milestone and all of that. So very important. So this is how we actually view template right here in Google Doc. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.